How to disable payment methods in Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off payments method in your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account and then you can navigate to settings here in the bottom left corner. And then there is payments tab here. You can click on it. And as you can see, you will find your payment methods. So I haven't set up the payment methods. So let's say I'm gonna choose the payment provider and let's choose this one for testing and click activate. So basically, so if you see in my payment methods, now I have bogus gateway. So if you want to deactivate it or disable it, you can just click manage. So you can go to payment method settings and then there will be, option to deactivate it. So you can just click it and then click deactivate and it's done. You have disabled your payment methods. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.